Guys, I made some slime, and I made some slime, but it's actually in the fridge right now, so I used salt, as you can tell, I used it all. Salt, body soap, and a towel and water. A towel is for the bed, because I did a water spilling, so I'll have to put it there for the night. And I made this slime. So yeah. I'm going to roll it into a ball. Guys, comment down below if you know how to make ooblex without borax. So yeah, I've shaped it up. I'll take this lid for the night and probably tomorrow for the day. And I will fill it. I've done that. So yeah, see you in the morning. Guys, I checked and it's still the same, so night. I hope you enjoyed it. Please press